Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. 100, 200. They're all CCWs. Hi, what's your name, please?
My name is Stephen Cotton.
All right. So, Mr. Cotton, right? You said Mr. Cotton, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Cotton, thank you. This is case number 210-584-4601. People State of Michigan versus Sean Cotton, counsel. Thank you, counsel. The court notes formal reading has been waived and enters a not guilty plea on Mr. Cotton's behalf. I do note that this is a non-assaultive allegation and there are no prior convictions before me. I do not have a concern about community safety. Is Mr. Cotton a resident of the area?
Yes.
Very good. Then I don't have a concern about flight. Bond is set at $1,500 personal. The next court date will be in front of Chief Judge McConico on August the 9th. After that, August 16th in front of Judge King. Mr. Cotton, you're not to purchase or possess any firearms or other dangerous weapons during the course of the bond, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Still doesn't have his car back.
Hey, Rick. People travel people in the last month.
Hi, what's your name, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Crudup, one moment, please. All right, Terrence Crudup, case number 210-584-4201, People versus Terrence Crudup, counsel.
Showdown on behalf of defendant, Mr. Garber, who is formal reading of the constitutional license.
Thank you, counsel. The court notes formal reading has been waived and enters a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I do note that this is a non-assaultive allegation and there are no prior convictions in front of me, assaultive or otherwise. I have no concern about danger to the community here. Does your client, is he a resident of the area?
Yes.
Very good, then I don't see a flight risk, $1,500 personal bond, not to purchase any firearms or possess any firearms or other dangerous weapons during the course of this bond. Next court date, August 18th in front of Chief Judge McConico. After that, August 25th in front of Judge Jefferson. Thank you. This is our last mail, I think. One more here.
What else you got? Green? What's right here? No. I need to go over there again? Yes.
What do you think about the stolen car? Funny, huh?
Crazy.
It's kind of funny.
Yeah.
I just feel bad that he hasn't gotten his car back.
Right.
It's a property crime.
I guess,
at the end of
yeah.
the day.
Personal bond.
Mhm.
That's something. Still not big on this. So
I'm kind of like,
20,000 personal.
yeah, I was thinking about doing a test. Just it for a minute. It's just giving me a car.
Yeah.
It's really just to make her sit for a bit. Or to do a low cash. Make her have to get it together and pay it tomorrow. Because also, I think, didn't she try to run? When he found her, didn't she try to run?
Yeah, she tried to leave. She wasn't going to sit around at the gas station.
Hi, what's your name?
Pulliam?
All right, Mr. Pulliam, this is case number 210-584-5101. People of the State of Michigan versus Naquan Navan Pulliam, counsel. Thank you. All right.
Showdown on behalf of defendant, Mr. Pulliam, who is formal reading of the constitutional license.
Thank you, counsel. The court notes formal reading has been waived and enters a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I do note that this is a non-assaultive allegation and there are no prior convictions in front of me, assaultive or otherwise. I have no concern about danger to the community. Is your client a resident of the area?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
Very good, then I don't see a flight risk here. I'll set bond in the amount of $1,500 personal, $1,500 personal bond. The next court date is going to be in front of Judge McConico on August the 18th. After that, August the 25th in front of Judge Jones. Mr. Pulliam, you're not to purchase or possess any firearms or other dangerous weapons during the course of the bond. Thank you. All right, see you guys on the female side. How you guys doing on that side? Are you off the camera over there?
They going to be finishing up, Your Honor. I'll let them know that we're ready.
Thank you. They're still on the line. This one. This one. All right. This just happened, so May 30th. She says she took it because he wouldn't wake up.
That doesn't give you the right. You think that's a reason? She must be high.
Yeah, they probably both high. She was ready to go home. She was done. But why would you give it to somebody else like that?
She's high.
That's the thing that really. You're right.
Yeah, so
You're
yeah,
right.
to the person,
That's what it is.
they have some lead.
Yeah. Yeah, probably. Some
Exchange shit. Like, I'm my car. You want a BMW? How much you gonna give me for this BMW?
You're right. That's what it is. All right. So then I'm not inclined to do the tether because she's problematic.
Just from the answer, just from the action.
Yeah.
Crawford won't get my heater.
Thank you, Crawford. I'm gonna bring an air conditioner in here. You need some iron or something. Something wrong. So the female side only has one camera. So on the male, damn it. On the male side, we can be moving the docket while they're interviewing people. But the female side, they have one camera. So if they're interviewing the women, like I'll keep calling, it just gives me a busy signal.
I don't know what's wrong with you today. Oh, wow. You need the numbers or just the list?
Just a bit.
Yeah, I don't have to add them. I'm on, you go ahead. Right.
It's a big bag.
Try this again. Still busy.
What? Erase some of these names on my tongue folder. This what kind of the date is not on the list. Oh, Monday. Monday.
Yeah, Monday.
Try again. See if they're ready. Still busy. There's 3 cases.
Right, that's all.
What is the problem?
We're ready.
Okay. Hello, DDC. Hi, what's your name, please?
Diane Thomas.
All right, Miss Thomas. You have some traffic misdemeanor matters, just one where you missed a court date. We need to deal with that first. This is technically, like I said, a misdemeanor, meaning you can face up to 93 days in jail and or a $500 fine. Doesn't mean that's what will happen in your case. You are entitled to an attorney to help you get this ticket resolved. If you can't afford one, one will be provided for you on or before your next court date. Please remember you have the right to remain silent. You're being recorded. Anything you say could be used against you in the future. This ticket is ticket number P1084412. They say that on May 19th of 2020 in the area of Pembroke and Burgess that you didn't have insurance and that you drove an unregistered or untitled vehicle. On this ticket, you do have a personal bond. The next court date on this ticket is going to be July 1st of 2021, and you're going to be in front of Judge Sherman. Then we're going to call your next case, which is case number 180-449-1501, People of the State of Michigan versus Diamond Thomas. Counsel.
Judge Sharron, on behalf of the defendant, Ms. Thomas, who is formal reading of the same her constitutional licenses.
Thank you, counsel. The court notes formal reading has been waived and enters a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I do note that this is charged as a misdemeanor. I don't have anything in front of me that causes me concern about community safety. Is your client a resident of the area?
She is here, and she did turn herself in yesterday.
Oh, very good. Then she's not a flight risk. Okay, personal bond is set in the amount of $5,000. $5,000 personal bond. On this one, your next court date is going to be, one moment, please. Wait a minute.
I think it's one and it's a duplicate, maybe?
Hold on one second. This is the way the file is put together. I'm having trouble seeing. 1 second. I was set to give a personal bond. I've got a note here that there's a capias, but I don't see what the capias is.
Your Honor, I do see it. It's a failure to appear at a pretrial. However, it is in front of Judge Bryan.
All right, so this is a misdemeanor. I do have the authority to adjust it. We're going to do $5,000 personal bond in this case, $5,000 personal. Next court date is going to be June 22nd on this one in front of Judge Garrett. They're telling me Garrett. Is Garrett correct on this one? Misdemeanor? Misdemeanor AB? All right, $5,000 personal. Next court date is going to be June the 22nd in front of Judge Bryant. During the course of this bond, there is to be no contact or attempted contact with Melissa Carnaffel. That means no verbal contact, no written contact, no contact through third parties or social media. Any attempted contact with that individual will be considered a violation of the conditions of your bond. Thank you. You don't have to pay to get out. You don't have to pay to get out today.
Okay, but what did you say about a ticket? In what area?
You got a ticket, you didn't come to, you missed court on your ticket, and so that ticket, your next court date on the ticket is going to be July the 1st in front of Judge Sherman. They said you were driving without insurance and your vehicle was not registered. That ticket they say you got on May 19th of 2020, okay? So just go to court on July 1st, 2021. You'll have an attorney to help you with it. You're going to be in front of Judge Sherman.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Hey, Stanford. Stanford. Okay, so wow. No, then just check and see.
Hello, what's your name, ma'am? Miss Stafford. This is case number 210-584-4501, People of the State of Michigan versus Shelby Lynn Stafford. Counsel.
Judge Sharron, on behalf of the defendant, Ms. Stafford, who is formal reading of the same her constitutional licenses.
Thank you, counsel. The court notes formal reading has been waived and enters a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I do note that this is a non-assaultive offense, essentially a property crime. I don't see an overall danger to the community here. Anything else you'd like to say about bond?
She is a lifelong resident of Detroit, no prior to my knowledge, is 38, has 7 kids, lives in Houston, so I believe she has strong family ties.
All right, thank you. Doesn't sound like she's a flight risk. I'm going to set a personal bond in the amount of $50,000. The next court date is going to be June the 23rd, June 23rd of 2021 in front of Judge Jones. All right, thank you.
Hey, Lane first. Judge waiting for you. Motion to judge.
Hi, what's your name, please?
Paula Langford.
All right, this is case number 210-447-3601, People versus Paula Langford, counsel.
Just chat on behalf of the defendant, they started waiting for more reading and defend her constitutional rights.
Thank you, counsel. The court notes formal reading has been waived and enters a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I do note that this is charged as a misdemeanor. Anything else you'd like to say about bond?
Your Honor, that I'm not aware of any priors and that she's 46 years old and that she's lived in Detroit her whole life. Your Honor.
All right, then I don't see a flight risk. I don't see an overall danger to the community given this misdemeanor allegation. I'm going to set bond in the amount of $5,000 personal, $5,000 personal bond. There is to be no contact with Anthony Tyndall during the course of the bond. That means no verbal contact, no written contact, no contact through third parties or social media. Any attempt to even contact that individual will be considered a violation of the conditions of the bond. The next court date is going to be June the 25th, 2021 in front of Judge Bryant. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, guys, have a good night. Thanks so much.
Yes, you too, man.
Bye-bye.